Guys, my name is the Purple Guy, Gaming 304 here. So we're joining an online match, and so we can't join for a while. So oh look, John Cena. So already joined. Okay, let's try to join some other gameplay. So I'm recording this for a little bit called announcement. So this is the first time you will hear my voice. So sorry, I got a static audio because my audio recorder is still on development. So if you hear the gameplay, I will increase up the volume. So let's join the blue team. It's because I like blue. So it's a little bit unfair because red and blue is. So I hope the look, and I just played this game or downloaded this game yesterday at night, so I don't know to how to play this properly or how to play these mechanics. So I already posted first gameplay of mine here on this gameplay in this channel. So please look at it. So first, so I don't know how to play it. So yeah, I'm just a newbie here. And don't judge me what I'm gonna do today because I don't really know to how to play this. My god, so many players. Oh, I got, and my goal this is got one kill. One kill only will do. My god. Okay. So we're just waiting this game to start. What's happening? Or yeah. Okay, the game. I don't know what's happening, so don't judge me, please. So yeah. What's happening? The game won't start. It's taking the video so long. What? So for now, I'm gonna send a little bit message here. So okay, never mind. Here, if the video get too long or more than 15 minutes, I will create a part 2 of it. By the way, the sorry for the time because I didn't charge it. Look over there. So for the announcement, so I already have a little bit errors or little bit some life problems in real life, not in game, not in other games. So I need to just leave for a while. For I'm just gonna come back till the next week, maybe next week. So the game is pretty much laggy. And by the way, this is not just a background because I'm really playing it right now.
Occupy those points.
So
Recon active.
so so
Enemy taking C. Enemy taking C. Enemy taking Charlie. Enemy taking Charlie.
so
We lost
oh my god, what's happening?
capturing Charlie.
Why can I move?
Enemy